Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pallavi Sadanand Raut, clinician from Wigner Nursing Home Naranggaon of Pune district, India. I am presenting poster on neurological complications in Russell Viper bite in 11th International Toxinology Meeting, Venom and Toxin 2024 UK. Myself with my husband Dr. Sadanand Raut, consultant physician and toxinologist, we providing emergency medical services to rural downtrodden community of Juन्नर Ambegaon Taluka in Pune district since 1990. We initiated Mission Zero Snake Bite Death since 2005, providing early and effective management of shock, cardiorespiratory failure, acute kidney injury. We have saved more than 12,000 patients of venomous snake bites with 0% mortality and minimum morbidity. Incidence of AKI is also minimum, only 4% require hemodialysis. Bite to needle time is minimized due to massive public awareness. 65 years male was admitted with history of Russell bite, had a severe oronasal bleeding due to coagulopathy. He was unconscious since admission. MRI vein suggestive of multiple cerebral infarcts in cerebellum, vermis, occipital, frontal, parietal lobes. He was on ventilator for 25 days. Very slow neurological improvement. Referred to government hospital. Succumb after 5 days. 44 years male patient had Russell Viper bite while working in a sugarcane farm. Snake bitten very aggressively as was injured in harvesting machine. Brought unconscious within 20 minutes. Had a generalized tonic and clonic conversion. 20 WBCT was incomplete. Blood pressure was very high, 187 by 127 mm of Hg. Had right hemiparesis, aphasia and memory loss. MRI brain shows multiple hemorrhagic infarcts. Slowly improved neurologically. Power speech was normal. Memory is also improved within 1 month. This is a case of post-relapsing encephalopathy syndrome. 65 years female patient admitted with Russell Viper bite. WBCT incomplete, more than 20 minutes. Blood urea level and serum creatinine levels were increased. Urine output was nil. Blood urea up to 120 mg and serum creatinine 5.74. Hemodialysis was done on day 3. Post hemodialysis start severe headache, sudden tonic and clonic convulsions, frothing from mouth, become comatose, resuscitated and kept on ventilator. Again WBCT was incomplete. Additional 10 vials of anti-snake venom was given. Urine output increased gradually. Total 16 hemodialysis was done. Renal functions were normal. Recover fully within 1.5 months. Russell Viper bites are more common, highly venomous with multi-organ involvement. Viper bites are more difficult to treat and require great deal of critical care. The treating physician should be more alert and continuously watchful for cerebral complications in addition to the other systemic and local findings. Cerebral infarction and hemorrhages are the main cause leading to fatal cases of Russell Viper bite. Early administration of injection anti-snake venom and aggressive management of shock reduces mortality and prevent complications like acute kidney injury and neurotoxicity. Due to community awareness program, patients are reporting early in our region and availability of treatment locally help to save these patients of neurotoxicity. Thank you all for attending my poster presentation.